Hey everyone, we're given that Z here is the midpoint of XQ and PY. And we want to prove that the two triangles are congruent. So let's look and see what we have. The first we have Z is the midpoint of both of these. So that means that's just given. So that's your number one. Given. Then XZ is congruent to ZQ. And that's because of definition of midpoint. Because the midpoint divides this line segment into two equal congruent parts. That also means, for statement 3, that YZ is congruent to ZP, or we can say PZ. Doesn't matter what order, but that would be your statement. And the reasoning again is definition of midpoint. That means these two lines are congruent. I also can say that for number 4, angle AZY is congruent to QZP. So that just means that these two angles are congruent. And that's your vertical angles congruence theorem. Just remember, when you have intersecting lines, these two angles will be congruent, and these two angles would be congruent. So that's just your vertical angles congruence theorem. And finally, we have the triangles are congruent. And if you look at it, it's because we have side, angle, side. And we're looking at it in order. We have side, angle, side. So that's your side, angle, side congruence postulate. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.